Man, guess what fell off the wall a minute ago? Holy cow. Fell right on my display case and scared me to death. That's a big old boy. I'm telling you. So I gotta get him hung back up. I don't know where I'm gonna put him, but it's not gonna be over my display case again. That's not gonna happen. Sorry, Bill. That's just not gonna happen. You ain't gonna stay up there no more. My brother's bear, he got that with a bow and arrow. Boy, I can't remember now where it was. I believe it was over somewhere in the UP, but I can't remember where. But, yep, that was kind of cool. Scared me to death, I tell you. Fell down on top of this display case. And I think every hood and door and everything's popped open in there, so I got to straighten that up. That's going to be a lot of work. Well, I went over to his place, and there was a bunch of older kits, and I kind of wanted to show you. A lot of it's just parts. A lot of it's just junk. But there was some stuff there that was kind of cool, sentimental to me, so I kind of held on to it. Box lid. But I'm got, 40... It's 40 Willies. Who doesn't like? I mean, come on, let's do this again. This is really cool, AMT. I mean, it was just super cool. He's got one of these sitting in here. I believe that's a complete kit. I'm not sure, but I kind of opened it up, kind of thumbed through it. So that gives me two of these. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them just yet. This box here is full of stuff that he had, sentimental stuff that he had. But the box art is really cool. I really like it. I do have the decals to this, so maybe I'll build one of those. This one here is one of the original boxes. It's it doesn't have the MPC codes on it. Kind of neat. I like it. I've got 2 or 3 of those. This one here is at least 3 are the thinner boxes that Revell had, and but this one he had 71, I think. He graduated in 72, so I'm believing this was a 71 issue. I'm guessing that. It's been a long time ago, and I was just a kid myself, so. But I do remember him painting this up. It was a little bit different than this, but it was red, white, and blue. But he didn't finish it because a lot of that is still in here, and you see it's got that red ruby flake plastic. A lot of those pieces are in there like that. That's kind of neat. I like that. Some old decals. There's the judge I was telling you I had. One thing I did kind of notice on this, I know they reissued this, but I think it went red, white, blue, white, red on the new issue. And this one here doesn't have it. It's just blue, white, and red. So, interesting. Here's a Tijuana gas man. That's a 1949 car, I believe it was. Tijuana Border Patrol. 55 Nomad, I think it was. There's that fantastic Yellow Fever. Sierra Scrambler. Well, it had to be some kind of a pickup truck because it's Ranger Patrol. I don't know. That one I don't know anything about. And Boss Nova. A drag Camaro. That was the one with the camper on it, remember? You could build it either way. It'd be kind of cool. I wouldn't mind doing something in that line. There's a Bad Man. Now listen here, kitty cat. You're not going to start digging on this bear. my little kitty's down there, and she's just being a pistol, let me tell you. Yeah, I don't know. I'm lost on this one. Holes powered. Back. This. Huh. I don't know. Help me out, guys, if you know what that one's for. I don't know. Here's the twister. That's for that one that they've been releasing several times over. Superbird. Ford has a better idea. I don't know. Got to be some kind of a Thunderbird or something. Here comes Judge. GTO, another Bossa Nova. Well, anyway, some cool decals. I'll probably put them in a box or in a book. Phil gave me that idea. Phil Horton over Horton's Hot Rod Shop. So I've got 3 or 4 of these kits, and now I've got another one. But it's kind of cool. It's one of those early thinner boxes from Revell. I like that. 54. This one's all in pieces. But I like the box art. Really neat. And 56 Ford. 36 Ford. He was working on building a custom with that. This one here, I've got 3 of these. One of them is a Pontiac though, but I got 2 Camaros, I think. And this one's complete. So I don't want to build that. That's one I really want to build. I'd like to get some Ryder Morrison decals for it and build that up as that. That'd be really sweet. So should have had these open. Let me try to open one of these up real quick. All right, now once upon a time, let me walk you over here real quick. I think I showed you guys that pink 56. Well, that's the one he built years ago, and he put a Mustang top on it, and he called it Stray Cat. He called it Stray Cat. And he built that one, geez, in the 80s, mid-80s, I think. And he always told me, I never saw this until just a few days ago, that he was going to build another one, and he was going to build it as a drag car, and he was going to call it Alley Cat. And it's got big tubs in it. So I just might have to finish this one up for him. I'm really kind of digging this. So he's got everything started. I just got to finish it up and then shoot it with some kind of a pink color like he's got it. So I might try that down the road. Here's this 36 Ford. This one's kind of interesting. Move this out of the way. get the pieces out that I need. All right. Looks to me like he was gonna build a custom with a flip nose, okay? Because what he did was he got a Carson top for it. All right, I'm back. That crazy cat, she's driving me nuts sometimes. She gets in here and she will not leave me alone, and she just loves to get into everything. So anyway, nice little Carson top on there with a flip nose. Be something different. Maybe I'll work on that. That'll be something down the road with that as well. Then there was another one I wanted to show you guys. That was this one. Hang with me. I'm sorry. I've got this all over the place. I found this one. This one's kind of neat. It's really crude right now, but it's kind of neat. Now, if you notice, he's wedged. He chopped the top and wedged it. So, and then he's painted it black with white outlines along the bottom. And so, I think I'm liking this a whole lot. And then he put a scoop on the front, or on it, instead of just having a, you know, the engine with the scoop on it. He put it on the hood. So I'm thinking I might do that. I might build that one too for him, finish it up. Well, guys, it's kind of a silly little thing I got going on, but it's just more stuff I didn't need. Been taking a lot of my time taking care of all this stuff, moving it around, but I don't know. Anyway, I appreciate everybody stopping by. Appreciate everybody leaving me a comment. That kind of keeps me going. I do appreciate it. I really do. I know I showed some tractors the other day, and that I didn't figure that was gonna make anything out of it, but yeah, that's all right. It's something we all do. Everybody's got different hobbies, so. Well, all right, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'll talk to you later. Have fun, be safe. Bye.